Do you know why some YouTube videos go viral while others barely get any views? It's not just luck. It's the power of AI. Now I'm going to break down how to hack YouTube with AI. This channel randomly pop up on my recommendation page today. So obviously one of his videos blew up, which is very normal, right? Yup. No. I looked at his channel and found that it was created only 4 months ago, and it blows up like skyrocket. What was the secret? After investigating for hours, I found nothing. The only difference is his very special avatar. This channel is also a very special avatar that get recognition from people. So the key here is icon. Create an icon to let your channel stand out from others is crucial. Let me teach you. Go to scalebots.ai. This is just an example prompt that I type in a man that looks green, cute cartoon character, white background. You need a white background to remove the background and put in your video later. This looks so cute. You can adjust the keyword until you like it. If you want free AI tools to create prompt, feel free to grab it in the description box. Download it and now go to Pixverse. Upload your image and enter the prompt you want for me. Will be, he is talking, and wait, the amazing Pixverse, convert your images. Now wait for the magic. This looks so cool. Obviously, you can do better than this within few try. This is the result I get first time trying it. Now you have a stunning avatar. People can recognize and connect to your channel more and feel like they actually listening to someone. Next, finding a trendy topic. I strongly suggest using VidIQ to find trendy topic. Use the free version and type in the keyword you want. Look at the overall score and choose the highest score to copy it. Upgrade to Pro version will let you have more cooler features such as 10 daily video ideas, keyword research, track and learn from competitor channels. Learn the best time to post for your audience. Now this is not a sponsored video, but genuinely sharing here. You can also look at your competitor's channel and go to their most viewed tab. Now copy their most viewed titles and use it in your videos. Now you will have endless topic to talk about. And the best part is, they are guaranteed viral videos. Easy, right? Now you have over 10 plus video ideas. Start writing your video script to make them sound interesting and engaging to your audiences. If you don't know how to write your video script, copy your competitors. Good artists copy, great artists steal. Now, of course, not fully copy, but inspired. Steal from their best video ideas and implement in your video. How? Go to Google Chrome and type in YT Scribe. You can now copy their video script, paste it in a notepad, and look how they talk and what strategy they use to generate a good video script. After that, use it in your own. Is that simple? Steal it and win them. After writing scripts, start editing your video. I use CapCut and Wondershare to make videos. Wondershare have a lot of cool features, and it have a lot of stock videos to offer. It also provide funny memes to entertain your audiences. In my opinion, CapCut and Wondershare are by far the easiest software to use. Add effect and text and video to pop out. Now you have to try yourself whether you audiences like fast-paced or slow-paced style. In my opinion, fast-paced editing style is all over YouTube. So maybe you can try to create your own editing style. Maybe you will be the next Emma Chamberlain. I mean, who knows? After editing your videos, upload it to YouTube. It's time to write your keyword. Use SEMrush to find keyword. If you want to win on YouTube in 2024, put the keyword in your description box as much as possible. But try to sound naturally at the same time. YouTube is the biggest searching engine, and it can hear what you're talking in video. You can repeat the keyword multiple times in video, and also put the keywords multiple times in the description box to let YouTube fully understand your video. Because of this tag is not important anymore. YouTube literally say it itself. But if you want, you can still put in the keyword and tag box to the fullest opportunity. Create timestamp is time-consuming and kinda annoying. Who's with me? But what if I tell you you can create timestamp with one click? I found out this super useful AI tool, Bardon AI. Let me show you how's work. Go to my description box and download Bardon.ai. Sign up for an account. Now add it as a Google Chrome extension. Pin it in your taskbar. Go to YouTube and open your video. Click the little icon there. Click my link in the description below to download the playbook. Now you will have a YouTube chapter playbook in your account. Open your video now and click the little icon again. Click the playbook and click OK. Now you will just wait for our AI employee works. Click View. And now you have saved 20 minutes. Trying to create timestamp for your video. Now you create and uploaded your videos. Time to interact with your audiences. Now this is super simple. Reply and heart their comment. Make them feel that you actually cared. Interaction is super important. Remember to reply, comment, and interact with your audiences. For thumbnail, I personally use a few tools to do it. Scalebot.ai, Leonardo. Use more vibrant and saturate color, such as green, red, yellow. Add some red arrow, circle to pop out. You can add some text, but make sure it's readable. Most of your audiences look at your thumbnail using their phones. I like to zoom out on Photoshop to see how my audiences will feel when they looked at the thumbnail. Add some shocking expression will help to pop out too. Human likes to see emotion, so a shocking, scary, or happy expression will help your thumbnail to pop out. Now I have 2 secret tools. I used a lot to see how my videos will look like on YouTube. First, thumbs up. When you enter this website, upload your thumbnail and titles. You can then see how it will look like on YouTube. The relevancy of your thumbnail and video is really important because no one likes to get clickbaited, and they will probably left after a few seconds. Next is rate my thumbnail. I use this to see how my thumbnail perform. Do some trial and error to get the best rate for your thumbnail. Now you can still bulk create shorts to make traffic for your YouTube video. How? Simply put a link at the related video section so that every time someone watches the video, he will saw the link and eventually click in your long-form videos. You can make 1,000 of shorts within 10 minutes easily using Canva. Watch the video in the description box if you're interested. You can bulk create content and upload faster with AI tools on the market. Use AI to leverage your time, and you can earn passive income while sleeping. If you click in the video thinking there will be any secrets to success on YouTube, the biggest secret I can tell you is stay consistent and keep posting. No shortcut. No make money fast strategy here. Just real tactics and trial and error with staying consistent. You can see your audience's behavior and get more and more viral videos idea. Each channel is different, and there's no one-size-fits-all option. We're talking about long-term mindset. If you think this is a hard big rock, keep trimming it, and eventually, you will kick the small little rock away. If you're a newbie on YouTube, this might a bit advanced for you. Last video I talked about beginners' mistakes and the best way to launch a profitable channel with AI. Go watch it if you're a beginner and trying to level up your YouTube game. I genuinely think 2024 is the best year to use AI to leverage your time and make money on YouTube. Don't forget to grab your free AI prompts to create the best video on YouTube. Here's a couple videos to catch up and comment down below your favorite AI tool. I can't wait to see you on the other side of success. Good luck to all my AI millionaires.